You know, I have realized that there is a pattern to success, a pattern, and there's also a pattern to failure. It's a pattern. And once you notice and know what the pattern is, you could either break the pattern to get successful, or you can remain in the pattern and just say, "Oh, I can't do nothing about it," or complain about it. One thing I've learned, man, those who really did anything great, they kept pushing. The work ethics was impeccable. They wasn't asking for handouts from the system. See, people that want to make it there, but they want to connect to the system to get there, they might get there. And then if they fall, they're going to say the system didn't do me right. They want you to rally for them. And me personally, being independent is connecting yourself from the system. You see what I'm saying? So there's a pattern in people like that. You don't have to boast on a mountaintop. You don't have to be naive to who you need around you if you're trying to go somewhere. You see what I'm saying? There's a pattern. So those who really, really want it, those who are really, really hungry, they grind. They don't ask for permission. They don't complain. They just figure out a way. They find a way. Okay, I can't do it that way. Let me switch it up. I'm finna do it this way. Okay, that don't work. Let me do a different dance. However we got to do it, we gonna make it happen. You see what I'm saying? Because we are destined. We got a pattern. So you break that pattern of failure. Start you a pattern of success. And that's how you're gonna get your HogOn. Black Feniks.